How to use Temu Coins to save more. Hey everybody, if you'd like to save even more on Temu, in this video will show you exactly how to use Temu Coins to unlock discounts and make most of your shopping. So you can just head over and open the application first of all and log in into your account. And the thing you need to understand Temu Coins are rewards you earn by checking in daily, playing games, or completing small tasks in the app. So you can redeem them for discount coupons or even better. So if there's a win credit offer, you can just go over to you tab in the bottom right corner, look out for credit section. And if there is any option, you can just go ahead and look out for the option to uh, earn credits. So just go ahead and place your order if you're first customer. I mean, if this is your new account, first, if you're new, you can just go ahead and place your first order on your Temu application, and that will activate the promo code. You will be getting a few coins back and a limited window to make another order with a high coin rate, sometimes up to 5% back. Once you hit the coin target, you unlock the credit. After that, you can just go ahead and use those credits for your next order. You can head over to credit balance section, and right under your balance, you will be finding different products available, or you can even use the search bar and look out for the product that you would like. After that, you can just go ahead and find the product, and you can even trigger another promo using that credit. Don't return anything until you have claimed your credit. Returns might cancel your promo. And the thing is, these promos are very limited. So act fast when you see them, and that's it. That is how you basically use your Timo coins wisely, stack your savings, and turn everyday orders into major discounts. So, therefore, if this video helped, give it a like and subscribe for more quick saving tips. And thank you.